that'd be great.
Okay.
I can get $1. I need to get on the bus, man. I'm so desperate. I don't ask people for nothing, and I'm too bad to get a dumpster before I ask anybody for shit.
Here, let me get you some water first. There you go.
Thank you, sir.
You're
My books
welcome.
are right over there. I will go to get certified and ask them some things.
Do they usually give you stuff that's certified?
No, I don't go there. I always get ice there.
You just get ice there?
Oh, I got.
Okay.
The oldest thing is what I got.
How long?
Smoke cigarette butts.
How long have you been living out of the street?
Well, I've been out for about 4 days now.
4 days. Where were you before you
I
went to
was
Maryland?
down in the bottoms. There was robbing me left and right, so I left. I came, last night to get cigarette butts at the casino and pop and coffee. It got warm. I ended the stock last night.
Where were you living before you went to Maryhaven?
Outside.
Outside? How long have you been living outside? For
I've
years?
been outside for a while.
Okay. Did you have a tent or something before?
No, I don't. I get robbed a lot. I don't stay around people. I go around with my sisters because we got tow rooms. I hide in the woods. I just keep walking. When someone does something to me on one side of town, I go to the other side of town.
So you get a check. Do you get Social Security benefits?
Yeah, disability.
Disability.
Yeah.
So if you get disability, why don't you have an apartment or something?
I quit helping people. I got addicted for helping prostitutes and homeless people off the street before my mom died.
They take over your house or selling dope out of there or something?
I'm Chillicothe.
In
I
Chillicothe?
don't have a place in Chillicothe.
What about up here? So you went to Maryhaven.
I don't want to be in Columbus, Ohio. I don't. And then it's like town, like nobody.
I know, but
absolutely nobody.
You have like
Nobody's nice to me. Everybody's fucking mean to me. Mean as fuck, even church people.
You have
I don't want to be around nobody.
you have like a case manager, right?
Yeah, I got these man named Josh.
Okay, and he can help you with housing.
I don't want to be around nobody right now, no man either.
So you'd rather just be out here walking all
No,
the time?
I gotta go get my money out of the bank. I can't see. They just sit and stare, and some drivers slow and stare. I think like they're right to stare at me all the time.
Yeah.
I am not to be stared at. I am not. I don't want to be looked at. I walk through woods and back alleys for that reason.
Well,
I am not a prostitute. I don't want to be picked up. I don't want to be around nobody. I have my right to be that way.
no, that's true. Like you don't need to be harassed by people and all that kind of stuff.
You know, and I don't.
I try to avoid people as well. I find the best way to avoid people
I
is
really want to get to the bank. To hold me back. I'm 3 more hours. I didn't wait. God, I'm trying to get right with my friends. I need an Uber or a taxi. They won't give me money. I'm supposed to have cash on me. Can I please go to the bank?
Yeah, you can go.
God, what time is it? Is it 2 o'clock already?
It's 11
I
o'clock.
called from Kroger.
You
That's
just
way
walk
down
through
there.
Kroger? Okay.
To see my
Kroger's
money
not
look.
far.
Thank you.
Okay. Good luck.